Hello everyone, I am Drishti Bhavsat from Pandit Deendayal Energy University. I am currently doing internship under the Spark Foundation. My department is web development and my task is the basic banking system. So firstly, let's go through the code. This is my basic and understandable fully basic banking systems code. First is the config.php. In this section, I have shown server name, username, password, and database name. It is basically I have created a table for database and this is its details. Create user.php. In this section, we have all the details about the users or customers like name, email, gender, and balance. Next is the index.php. Index.php is basically my home page. In this, we have different sections like users, make a transaction, and transaction history. This is my footer of the website. Next is the navbar.php. In the navbar, I have a link to go through the different pages for the home, user, transfer money, and transaction history. Next is the remove user.php. So through this section, we can remove any user or any customer which I don't want in my history or in my connections. So just click on the remove and we can remove that user. This is the user's details, name, gender, total balance and action. Next is the remove user.php. This is fully PHP code and this is the command to delete a record from the database. SQL equal to delete from user where ID equal to ID. So the ID is the user's ID which I want to delete. Next is the selected user details. In this section we have totally basic details about the user or a customer like user's ID, user want to transfer the money to whom, how much amount, user have sufficient balance or not, he or she can transfer money or not, everything in this section. Also their details like current balance, email, name, ID, select amount, transfer to, etc. Next is the transaction history.php. In this section, we can see our transaction history in the past, current, and if we will any doing in future transaction history, we can see in this section. And we have details about the transaction history like sender, receiver, amount, and date and time also. The last is the transfer money.php. In this section, we can proceed for the transfer money. If I want to transfer money to my friend, so through this section, we can proceed the money. Here is the balance, action, name. So through the action, we can proceed button and transfer the money, how much amount and to whom. ID, button and how much amount. So this is my basically code and this is my fully database. My tables, my transaction history, everything. So let's go to the website. This is my basic banking system website. As I told you, we have three sections: user, make transaction and transaction history. So first go through the user. We have the user's details, name, gender, their balance, and we have action. We have a remove button. If I want to remove any user's history, we can just click on the remove just like this and we can remove. So next is the transfer money. We can transfer money. Just click on the proceed. Who want to transfer money? Like Ghada Mehta transfer money to me. Trusty Bowser. Khatta Mehta's current balance is 1,07,850. She want to transfer money 5,000. Click on the transfer amount and transaction is completed. Okay, this is the transaction history which I have done already many transactions and here it is. So this is the details about the sender, receiver, how much amount and the date and time. Let's see if Trusty Bowser proceed to money. I want to send Hardik Inani. I want to send 70,000 transfer amount. This is the message from the database. Sorry, this is insufficient balance. Because I have balance is 61,800. So I can't transfer money more than the 61,800. So basically this is my simple banking system. That's all from my side. Thank you.